everybody, Right Polo Tech here. Today I'm going to do a quick video on how to put together the Task Office Chair by Mainstays. You can get it on Amazon. If I can find it, I'll put a link to Amazon in the description down below. But this is just going to be a quick put together guide for you, because if you're like me, you don't like reading directions. You'd much rather watch a video. So here goes. Quick and simple. Here's the back. Take off the plastic. Here's the cushion. Here is the bottom part that you sit on. Here's your directions if you want to see them. The bottom part, the tube that goes up the middle, and then finally the little piston for the tube that goes in the center here. You get a Allen key wrench and 2 bolts. That's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just open these up, get the Allen key out. If I can get the bolts out. There we go. The 2 bolts. All right. First thing you do, take the bottom piece, flip it over, pop the 4 wheels in, each side, just like this. They just pop in. One in each of the posts here. There's 5 of them total. Just make sure they go all the way down. Flip it over, set it on the ground like that. Next thing you do, take your piston, put your piston in the center. Take your expanding thing here. It kind of just goes over top of this piston until it comes down and sort of sits on top of there, right there. Next thing you do is you take your back piece and your bottom piece. There's little grooves right here and little posts that you just kind of sit in on, so that way you get it lined up straight. And then you take your 2 bolts, stick it down in the hole in the back here until it kind of catches the thread. Take your Allen, spin it around. So it's tight. Do the same thing with the other one. There's a second one. All right, that's it. Then it sits, this hole right here is where the piston sits on. Pop it on there. There's a lever on the bottom of it here that adjusts the height of it up and down. So you can go ahead and push the lever to release it up. That's as high as it goes, and then if you put weight on it, you can lower it down, but that's all the way up. Then the last simple thing is, there's elastic around the cushion. I usually just take the side that has the paper in it, put that on the back first, and stretch it across the front. And then you just kind of flatten out your cushion until it gets kind of flat. And it'll flatten out more once you sit weight on it. But there it is. That's it. Very, very simple construction. This is the Mainstay Task Office Chair. Guys, if you like this video, please hit that like button for me. Also, subscribe to my channel, check out my other videos, and share it with your friends. I hope this helped you guys. See you next time.